Hello and welcome back to another video. Today was pretty decent, I cannot lie. Break even minor win day, I think it was only like $50, but I need to stop upping my risk now. So I've now got confident in myself. We won a trade, we lost one, and I'll show you why we lost one later. So go through today's price action, what I could have done better, what I should have done. Yeah, so try and find today's bias. So we have got, I've added this new indicator. It's really useful. Shows you all the open times. Uh, so right now I'm thinking choppy to bearish because we are top to middle-ish of the chop area. As you can see here, not far off. So I'm assuming we're choppy today. A little bit bearish on the hourly, same thing. Is there any gaps that we filled? We've obviously filled this gap, filled this gap. We've got this gap down here that we'll probably fill. 30-minute. And now we can start looking for some trades so we know what's going to happen. So if it's going to be a choppy day, then I want to look for some really decent trades, A plus specifically. So what have we got? So we have got a high to low from here. So it's a small long, the first one I'm seeing right now. So let's mark this up. We have got 770. Anything else that's saying otherwise? We've obviously got nice rejection block here. Mark that out. 15-minute. It's a little bit deeper. So we can probably enter off the fib level. So we say that could be your entry. Your stops down here. So yeah, I agree on that one. We also fill the hourly gap as well, and then we can move higher, which is nice. So we've got one level. Whereas VWAP is a little bit too high, so a little bit smaller risk than normal. Maybe now I've changed my risk, it could be a 150 risk kind of trade, mainly because VWAP is way higher than I'd want it to be. I'd like it to be in or around this zone, whether that be just above, just below, or inside this zone here. So we're going to mark this out as our first trade. Tiny little stop because I think that'll do nicely. Yeah, right there. That's nice. I mean, we could go here, true day open, but that means that we've got lower risk, obviously, or lower R. So it ruins, look, at least 3R. So we'll leave it here. We'll just see what happens targeting up here. No, I don't like that. So because it's like that, I'd want it a tiny stop targeting 10, is it 10 p.m.? I have no idea. Key open. Oh, New York session open. Sorry, I've barely used this indicator. So yeah, cool. Understood. So that would be my take profit right there. So it'd be something like this. So if we set a limit, we say 8 units. We buy here. So let's see what else we have. 30-minute, is there anything that we can spot? Obviously got this high to low up here. On the 15-minute, yeah, look at that. That's a perfect little entry. We've got a rejection block here. We've got VWAP. We've got everything you need. Tell me I've just fucking Brilliant. Should remove the square, not the. Yeah. Okay, so you can go here to here. Lovely stuff. Removing this and then placing your stop here. Very small stop. If we do come up this high, we're going to keep that there for now. If we do come up there, so to mark it out. I like that a lot. So this could be maybe a 200-ish risk, yeah. So where could the next draw on liquidity be? Probably here. Or we can maybe push it to there. Yeah, we can maybe take partials there. So let's see. These are our levels so far that I've got. Let's see how it moves. We are out almost instantly. We go back to here. Just in case we do miss something. So there's one out instantly. So we can now remove this. So why did that possibly fall through? Well, we have VWAP above the actual area that I wanted to short. I wanted to long, which then could have posed as resistance. On the 30-minute and see what else we can find. So we have this one here, which we are at currently, and it's a bit late for that, I feel. Might be a bit. Oh no, is that the one that that is the one that I took. Alright, let's go on the hourly, see another one. Now we could probably do this one here. This though here, this high here. Yeah, this looks super valid. Why is it valid? Well, we've got an hourly there, so that's huge. Do we have a 4-hour down here? No, just 30-minute. What have we got? 15-minute. Nice. I'm really liking this one, so I'm gonna mark this out, and we're gonna long it. We've got green view up there. Stop here. And where am I targeting? Well, let's have a look and see. How big was this stop? 30. Okay. So we've got 730 as our stop. Lovely. And then our take profit could probably be up here. Okay, let's see how price moves. So I'm really liking this one. Let's put a good 6 units on that baby. See what we can do here. Taps me in nicely. So maybe our take profit could be, sure, maybe here. VV what? Maybe. What about here? Yeah, no. You know what? I'll check. I probably would have changed it here for now. Probably break even up here because we have already moved up higher than I'd like. And we'd have gone stopped out. Okay. So that's break even and a loss. So far so good. I didn't take that one because price actually moved so fast I couldn't even flip and see it. Then we have another entry down here. It's a lovely low wick. See if we can push through. Who's obviously done this one. And we have got this one down here. See how we move if we do come down here. I'm sure I took one up here. I guess I didn't. So this one looks nice down here. So let's have a look at these RBs. I have already marked all of this stuff up before session open, so it wouldn't be like this, if you know what I mean. 30-minute. We've got some nice wicks there. We've got 10-minute. Anything? We do. We have a 10-minute RB down here. So that could be our entry and our stop up here. But I think we might be a little bit higher than that if I had to guess. Obviously got the hourly RB here. If I was to mark that up, that looks very valid to me. I'm sure I saw a trade and I was like, damn, I need to enter on this. But it's too late. Was it this one? I really can't remember. Because this was my win. It was a good win. Very happy with it. Right. We obviously have the 30-minute there, the 15-minute. Didn't really have much. Do we have the 10-minute? Yeah, we have the 10-minute there. Okay, so let's see how we move. I might have entered off this one. I'm not totally sure. I think it was this one, believe it or not. So let's go back over. Ah, yeah. So we have 15-minute RB that I didn't even spot. So let's mark that out. We're going to do a high to low. Instantly high to low. So we're now into this RB. I'm going to remove all of these for now. Maybe keep that one there. That's pretty valid. So we enter here. I remember this one now. Enter here. Where was my entry? Oh, well, it definitely wasn't a 30-point stop. Let's put it that way. I'm so confused right now because I know that I entered here and my take profit was up here. Definitely wasn't 30 points. Tell you that. Let me go through my Discord and find it. Nice picture. Yum 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 trade. I entered here. So I think I entered a little late. So it was right there. Stop. 20-point stop. My stop was 84. Yeah. So that was here. Okay, so this was the trade that I took. So we came in. Let's try and find why, because we're in the area of fib. So we've got that. So we're in the nice area of fib. We've obviously got that there. We've got an hourly RB that we can use. I mean, that's all there. That's there. We've got a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper there. We've got the 5-minute. Yeah, so I definitely don't know why I entered 700. I must have been a market buy. I think it was market. Yeah, no, it definitely was market. Most definitely. So we entered there. Nope, it definitely was there. God almighty, I'm having a slow day. So we had, if we were going to go back to here, we have, this is why I go on 30 minutes before I open. We have that, I mean, multiple time frame RB. We've got VWAP, we've got fib. That makes it automatically A plus. So we say, what, 5 units here. We're going to buy, and this is where we're going to go. So we've got here as our stop. This is our take profit. So we're up and we're out straight away. So just that. A lot of people tried to hold, which I think it did work. and it definitely did. Yeah. So I posted that into the group chat I was on, and they were like, "Yeah, I'm taking this." And I don't think they got stopped. I'm assuming they didn't, but they said they went out 750. So yeah, nice. What's that? God. Yeah, about 2 hour trade. Same again. Okay. So that was that. I turned it off after this. Couldn't find anything relevant. Nothing much happened after this, except for we kind of go a little bit lower. We missed that. So let's go back to 30 minutes. So let's draw that fib out again. High to low here. So obviously in our fib area. Is there an RB that we missed? 15-minute? No. Hourly, was this? No. Okay. 10 minutes. I mean, that was all that I had. Obviously, nothing else on anything else, really. This was pretty valid, though. See how we had all of these wicks here are lining up. So this could be your entry here on fib, like this. Your stop could be down here. But let's say you entered off fib down here. Bit late for me because you can see straight away how I want to be in the trade for as long as possible, for as little time as possible. Yeah, it would have stopped me after after maybe 10-15 minutes. Volatility really starts to slow down, so you get less aggressive moves. When it's 3 o'clock, it goes really slow. So yeah, I didn't take this one. I didn't find it valid, and then yeah, that was about it. Yeah, so few changes with risk, probably the most boring video anyone's ever watched. But no video tomorrow for the first time because I am on my way for work, so no trades tomorrow. I will. Oh yeah, 10 a.m. work today. I don't take 10 a.m., but 10 a.m. work, and I don't know where your stop would be if it was the wick of 10 a.m. like here, and your target. I don't know, up here. Pretty sure it worked. It did. Mental. The worst possible day to do it. Right. CPR tomorrow. No trading for me. Have a good night. See you later.